Calling me a jerk, I know I got that from the new boys. I'm from East Orlando, 407, that's my handle. All these verses surgical. Baby rappers get dismantled. Glock 40 with the camel curtain.
Rafa, dile algo a YouTube.
Hola niños, cuídense mucho, protéjanse, hagan el amor con el gorrito. Cuídense mucho, mis hijos. Le habla el tío Cuco.
So what is up, YouTube? We're back again with another little vlog. You know, people always talking shit, but you know, we're gonna keep on vlogging. We're gonna keep on vlogging. We're gonna keep on grinding. That's just how things are gonna work. These are the new jerseys. I have a lot of people supporting, buying them, asking me about them. On one sleeve, they do say full 7 hitters, and then on the other sleeve, it says Paradigm. If you want to order them, it's www.StockyAutoWorks.com. Just go in there, order them. In the comment section, leave the name that you want on the back and the number you want on the back. Now, the shop, quick little update. The showcases. We got some stuff. We got some stuff in the showcases. Nothing crazy, you know. We got to start from somewhere. LSB kits, dial pins. We got Type S oil pumps that they're hard to come across right now. We got a forward-facing manifold, roster auto bodies, wastegate blow-up valve, sensors, twin disc, just a couple things, LEDs, radios, headlights, little by little. We also got an injector cleaning machine, so if you want to bring your injectors by, we got some VMS wheels, just little by little, man, little by little.
Te vas a ir encantado. Así que ven para Stocky Motorsport. Aquí vas a gozar de lo lindo. Stocky AutoWorks. Los duros, los veteranos de guerra, estamos activados con un inventario super bravo. Te vas a ir de aquí feliz y con tu bolsillito llenito de chavo, porque no vas a gastar mucho. Así que actívate y ven para acá. Te esperamos aquí en Stocky AutoWorks.
Back to myself. We're getting ready tonight. We have a little race. We're gonna go race White Boy, Bullethead's brother, with the red coupe with Osmani's car for some light cash, nothing crazy. So stay tuned for that. I am gonna be recording. I'm gonna vlog it. So everybody likes to talk shit about me vlogging. I'm gonna vlog that. Win or lose, you know, we're just trying to have, you know, a good run and have some fun. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see what else we have in store tonight.
Look who it is. Yo, we out here vlogging. Y'all hit my boy up. What's your name?
What?
What's your name on your thing?
Bro, what are you talking about, man? That's how you feeling?
What's your name?
Yo, you was talking shit the other day.
Y'all subscribe.
Whoa. Bleep, 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 bleep. Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
My boy's out here recording another L.
Nigga, you're taking storage.
Another L.
Damn, it's like I got 92 minutes.
I'm only to him, bro. I'm sorry.
Damn.
But not for the driver. The driver.
We don't say Osmani, but
we actually split the money.
Fucking assholes.
Who likes dick? He already owed me 40. Hey, yo!
What?
Yo, nigga.
Oh, I did.
He was like, you make that.
Pero mira quién tenemos aquí. El cri cri. El cri cri.
¿Qué es eso, cabrón?
Una camarita, papi. Yo ni que no haga otro pernado, esa como tiene que estar calentísima. Pregúntale a Osmani, no es mío. And probably not, to be honest, nigga. What's up? Fucking Osmani.
¿Qué pasó ahí, gringo?
¿Cómo que qué pasó? La partiela, ¿no?
Guys, it is 4 something in the morning. I'll be 4:30 in the morning. Osmani calls me and tells me, yo, straps broke. Car went over the Dolly. I was like, bro, there's no way. So now we're here saving Osmani. But he had a good night. He lost one, he won one. You know? It is what it is. Yeah, the car is like wanted to come back off. Wanted to go back to racing. Shout out to Nice Ones. JR, we love you. Ozzy, anything you have to say about tonight?
Bobby, we set to kill.
Everybody go follow Ozzy Tech. Little street car. Shit really came off though. Jesus Christ. What a shit show. Let's go see what Angelica's doing. She's awake. So, yeah, hopefully we can keep doing this. Let me know if you guys like this. Like, what kind of content y'all want to see. Y'all want to see more street races, me and getting involved more with the cars. Yeah, like the bike life shit. I want to know what you guys like. And from there we'll go. See you guys later.